Hi, um, I'm creating this video and try to show you the general knowledge of Excel. I'm not saying you're going to use all the knowledge we discuss in this video for our 10 projects. This is not true, alright? I am just going to talk about some general knowledge of Excel, okay? I'm using Excel 2013, okay? If you use Excel 365 or Excel 2010, it should be really close. All right. Okay, this is Excel. If you don't have any idea about Excel, this is Excel. For Excel, you have on the top you have several tabs. Okay. And under each tab, you may see several groups. We call it groups. For example, for the Insert tab, you have Tables groups, Apps groups, Charts groups, Reports groups, Filters group. Okay, same thing here for the Home tab. You have several groups. All right. Okay. Second thing I want to talk about is when you talk about each cells. Okay, this is cells. All right, and this is a worksheet. Okay, we have sheet 1. If you keep adding, you have several new worksheets. All right. Another thing I want to talk about for Excel is you should know how to identify each cell. Okay. For example, right now I click it's A1. Okay, because it's column A, row 1. Okay. For example, what I'm doing right now should be D8, column D, and row 8. All right. Okay. Let's start it. First, let me just randomly input number. Let's say right at I input 1, and from here you can change the format. Okay, under Home tab, Numbers group, and you can change the format of whatever I input. So I'm gonna select the A1 with number 1 I just input. You can change the format. It could be currency, it could be accounting, it could be other like percentage. Okay, it's up to you. Okay, let's go back to general. Right now you have just 1, and here you can add a $sign. Okay, accounting number format. Right, and you can even change decimal point. Okay, increase decimal or decrease decimal. Let's try that. Okay, all right, and let's go back to general. Okay, another way to change the format is you can right click, you go to format cells, okay, and here you can change the format of each one. And the good thing for this one, it actually show you example. If for example, right now I click accounting, it tells us that, okay, usually you have 2 decimal point and the symbol is going to be dollar. Okay, in dollars. Okay, all right. Let's go back to the first A1. Okay, and now let's say you want to input 1 all the way to number 30s. Okay, how do we do it? Okay, what you should do is input 2, and then try to select 1 and 2. This way you're actually telling Excel, okay, this is my pattern from 1 to 2. And what you need to do is move your mouse to the right bottom corners. Okay, after it becomes a cross, okay, click, drag it all the way down. Okay, you see that it actually goes all the way to 30. Okay, you don't actually need to input 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way to 30 by yourself, and you can ask Excel to do it. Okay, and the second things I want you to do is let's say create another columns. Okay, and this time it's going to be 5. Okay, all the way down is 5, all the way down. Okay, all right, now I'm gonna have 30 5s. Okay, I click, double click or double click the tabs, it will show you the groups. Or if you keep double clicking again, it will hide the groups. Okay, alright, this is another way, maybe really useful. And now I want to talk about the formula. Okay, for example, right now I try to find out the sum of these two numbers. Okay, there's two ways to do it. Since right now we're dealing with two numbers, we can just click equal sign and click A1. Okay, click the cell, and then click plus and click B1. Enter. It will give you the sum. And if you want to do it all the way down, okay, this is how you do it. And again, make sure you leave a mouse at right bottom corners, okay, and click, drag it all the way down, okay, and your formulas will be copied. Okay, for example, let's say this one is A8 plus B8. Okay, the sum of these two numbers. Okay. All right. Another way to do it is instead of do it this way, another way to do it is you click. You click the insert function button and find out sum and click OK. You find that okay, it actually asks us the input, the range of the number. The range actually is from A1 all the way to B1. Okay, and click OK, and again you're gonna have 6. You're gonna have 6, and then I'm gonna drag it all the way down. We're gonna have the sum for this two number. Okay, this is sum. Okay, you can do like minus, you can do times, you can do divided. Okay, let's say I do A1. Okay, I just need to click A1 times B1. I'm gonna get the answer, which is 1 times 5. I get 5. Check it all the way down. That's right. The last one is 30 times 5. You get 150. All right. Okay. What if you have something like this? Okay, let's say I'm going to delete the whole column. Let's say you have something like, okay, in B1 you just have number 3. Okay, how do we get get each cells times B1? Okay, or just like or plus B1. Okay, it's up to you. All right, there's two ways to do it. Okay, you could, like what I show you, okay, drag it all the way down. You have like 33, and make sure that each one is going to plus B1, and the second one is going to be 2 plus B2. Okay, this is one way. Another way to do it is, again, you don't need to copy the cells, just do it this way. Okay, plus 3. All right, you have number 4. Okay, and if you try to drag it all the way down, this is going to happen. All right, 2 is going to plus B2. Okay, this is incorrect because I always want to do A2 plus B1, and I want A3 plus B1. Okay, so there's one thing you can do. Modify the formula a little bit. You put a dollar sign before B. You put another dollar sign before 1. Okay, the meaning of that is dollar signs before B. It means you fix column B, and the dollar signs before 1, you fix row 1. Okay, you could try that at home and see if you just fix 1. Like for example, you just put $1 before B and you do not put the dollar signs before 1 and see what happened. Okay, you copy the formula all the way down, all the way across, and see what happened. Okay, you can try it. All right, but right now, since we just want to fix the cells B2, so this is what I'm gonna do. Okay, I put a dollar sign before B, put a dollar sign before 1. Okay, and then I jack it all the way down to 30s. Okay, all right, you see that. Okay, let's check D3. You always have A3 fixed plus B1. Okay, it means that the cells B2 B1 has been fixed. Okay, you can also try it here, as you can see. All right, B1 has been fixed. Okay, this is one thing I want you to know. Okay, let's say you try to do something like this. Okay, you try to do the plus across worksheet. Okay, let's say right now you have 3 on the second worksheet, and then you want to show the results on the third worksheet, sheet number 3. Okay, then how are you going to do it? You do the same thing, equal, and I want 1, and then I go back to this one, plus sheet 2. I'm going to choose, I click sheet 2s and A1. Okay, click enter. As you can see, on the third worksheet, sheet 3, we actually have the answer. Okay, sheet 1 plus sheet 1 A1 and plus sheet 2 A1. Okay, all right. I want you to know a little bit more about what does this mean. Okay, as you can see here, we have exclamation mark. Okay, here actually this is like separate. Before the exclamation mark is sheet number, and after that is the cell number on that worksheet. Okay, so for example, this one, it means that sheet 1 and cell A1, the cell A1's on sheet 1. The second one is cell A1 on sheet number 2. All right. Okay, and this time, if you want to cast it all the way down, what's going to happen is same issue happen. Okay, because let's say this cell A5, you have sheet 1 A5 and sheet 2's A5. Okay, what happened is sheet 1 A5 you have 5, that's fine, but on sheet 2 A5 you have nothing. Okay, you always want to plus sheet 2's A1. So what you're going to do is, again, modify the formula. Okay, before A1, I'm going to put a dollar sign. Before 1, I'm going to put another dollar sign. Okay, click OK and drag it all the way down. You see, okay, the result you want to have. Okay, that's pretty much what you need to know about Excel. Okay, I would say if you practice what we discussed for a few times, you will be more familiar with Excel. Okay, and hopefully it's going to help your project.